Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove backgrounds in Canva like a pro. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, choose your profile, then open Canva website. You can simply put canva.com. Now click on your website. Now after uh, opening Canva website, log in with your account. Then go to create a design option as you can see on the top here. Click on it. Now choose the pic, so you have to upload the pic which you want to remove the background. So as you can see in the upload option here, click on it. Now go to upload files. Now I will choose my file which I want to remove my background. Okay, so I will choose this one. And now you will see an edit option here. Uh, Click on it, edit image. Now you will see the background remover tool. Let me search it. Okay, here you can see it on the top. Click it and it in just a few seconds it will open. Click on it and boom, the background is gone in few seconds. As you can see, Canva AI does a great job, but if you need to fine tune it, you can use the erase and restore tools. Just brush over any areas you want to fix, but it's the background removed perfectly. And after removing background, you can also use magic edit. It will can brush up your image as well as you can add anything in the background by using AI prompt, giving prompt, and that's it. Now you know how to remove backgrounds in Canva like a pro. Try it out and let me know in the comments if you have any. Just if you want to download, just click on save. It will save in your profile, or you can save to download to your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thanks.